Before getting started, you'll want to make sure you have these tools handy. Check the crate for any damage caused by vibration or impact during transportation. If the crate has any structural damage, take photographs in the presence of the carrier and notify the selling dealer. Remove all additional hardware that comes with the motor from the crate. Then inspect the outboard motor and keep record of any shipping damage by taking photographs. Next, establish the center of the transom by measuring from gunnel to gunnel. Make a mark on the transom face at exactly half of this measurement. Next, measure across the transom from strake to strake, and make a second mark on the transom face at exactly half of this measurement to establish the center line of the transom. Keeping the motor upright, lift it from the crate and place carefully on the boat transom. To transport when not in use, position the tiller handle straight up, then gently lay the motor port side down. When hung, the anti-cavitation plate should be between 0 to 1 inch below the bottom of the boat. Center the motor on the center line and secure it by alternately tightening the clamp bracket screws by hand. After installing the motor, check to make sure that steering and tilt movement are not obstructed by any part of the boat. Add engine oil by first removing the cowling. Check the oil level by looking through the oil sight glass above the tiller handle. Now, remove the yellow engine oil filler cap and fill with Suzuki Marine 4-cycle engine oil, X-Star, or equivalent. When finished filling, re-secure the engine oil filler cap. To check the gear oil level, place the motor in an upright position, remove the gear oil level plug, and look into the hole. The oil level should be visible at the bottom edge of the hole. If the oil level is low, add the specified gear oil through the gear oil drain hole until oil starts to overflow from the oil level hole above. Reinstall and tighten the gear oil level plug before removing the gear oil pump and securing the drain plug. Suzuki highly recommends that you use ethanol-free unleaded gasoline whenever possible, with a minimum pump octane rating of 87. Tighten the fuel tank cap until an audible click is heard. Then, tighten the air vent screw on top of the fuel tank cap.